Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
It's your world. It's my world. It's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. You did. Today, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be replacing the rotors on my Impala. I did a video where I changed the hub bearings on my Impala, and I'll leave that video right here. But when I changed those hub bearings, I could see that the rotors was shot and they needed to be changed. So now today, that's what we're gonna be doing. Let me show y'all the rotors that I got. These right here from Detroit Axle. So if you're gonna be changing your rotors or changing brakes, I recommend you get this your brakes or rotors from Detroit Axle. Not sponsored, but they are good rotors. You can also get brakes, like I said. You can get drilled and slotted rotors. I just got regular rotors for this car, but yeah, it's a great budget solution to getting rotors. They cheaper than AutoZone and O'Reilly's, and they still great quality. So you know what I'm saying, you can order them right from Amazon. Just look up rotors and brakes Detroit Axle and you can find anything you need. But yeah, there's a lot cheaper for the pair. It cost me like $70 for the pair of rotors, whereas AutoZone or O'Reilly's would have charged me $70 per rotor. So I would have spent double what I spent. So yeah, man, if you replacing brakes or rotors, I suggest you go to Amazon and get your rotors from Detroit Axle. And also, they ship in like 2 days. So if you live in Detroit, you know what I'm saying, regardless if you have prime shipping or not, you will get your rotors in 2 days for the most part. But without further ado, man, I'm about to crank the car up, take the tire off, and then get to the business. Alright, so now we got the tire off. We got the old rotors still on there, as y'all can see. New rotors over here. Now these weren't labeled, so I'm assuming that they aren't directional. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put them on. So I'm assuming it doesn't matter which side you put them on. So, and now what you're gonna need for the next step is a 15mm socket and a breaker bar to get the brake caliper off. But you may or may not need a 13mm socket, and I'm gonna tell you why. So with the old rotor being used and the new rotor here, as you can see, this one has some wear on it, so my brakes might not be in the same position and they might not be able to fit on a new rotor because it might be thicker, you know what I'm saying. So I may need to take the brakes off and press the piston in to get it to fit, but hopefully we don't have to do that. Hopefully the brakes fit right on the new rotor and they go right on it. So only way to find out is to get the work in and see if it fits. So alright, so as y'all can see, on the back of the caliper, we got 2 bolts that we're gonna need to remove. We got this bolt here, and then we got this one here. So we got to take that off to get the caliper off. I know it's probably kind of hard for y'all to see, and my brake calipers are dirty. Hopefully y'all can see which bolts to take off if you're doing this. If not, just look at your brake caliper. You should be able to see what bolts is holding it on. You know what I'm saying? right there. Final results. That's it, man. That's how you change the rotors right there. Quick, simple, and easy. I didn't even need to use the 13mm to take the brakes off and compress them again. They fit right onto the new rotors perfectly. So, like I said, man, all you need is a breaker bar and a 15mm socket, and you can do this job, man. It's easy and simple, and that's it, man. Looking nice and clean right there. That's how your rotor's supposed to look right there. And that blueberry on there got it popping. So, man, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned into the channel. We gonna have more mods, more repairs, everything coming to the channel. So make sure you stay tuned in, man. Just like that, we out here.
I can't cuff you, baby girl, cause I ain't passionate. She want a real nigga, her last dude was average. I'ma get inside that pussy and I'ma crashing it. I'ma lay inside that pussy like a bassinet. Then I'm passing it, hop in the coupe and smashing it. My style extravagant, and I roll with the savages. My squad immaculate, and we living on some lavish shit. These niggas mad as shit, pussy niggas should never switch. Thought you was my brother, but you changed for some money, so I can't trust you. Saw you in the street, and I had the chance to bust you. But I let you go, I ain't even have to touch you. Cause I know that karma got something coming for you. Still could get you smoked like a nigga burn rubber.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because all of us got YouTube channels.
Then I'm passing it, hop in the coupe and smashing it. My style extravagant, and I roll with the savages. My squad immaculate, and we living on some lavish shit. These niggas mad as shit, pussy niggas should never switch. Thought you was my brother, but you changed for some money, so I can't trust you. Saw you in the street, and I had the chance to bust you. But I let you go, I ain't even have to touch you. Cause I know that karma got something coming for you. Still could get you smoked like a nigga burn rubber. Cloud chasing nigga, fuck you and your faculty. You getting money online, I'm getting money actually, factually. Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn, actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap, your majesty, yeah bitch, I'm a king. King, bad bitch named Ashley. She bad, and she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk.
Yo, make it rain, fly.